Did you know that T-Mobile's data breach could change the way you think about your personal information? In today's video, we unravel the shocking details that have left millions vulnerable. Stick around as we explore the intricacies of encryption and how it plays a crucial role in protecting your data. In August 2021, T-Mobile revealed a massive data breach exposing sensitive information of over 40 million customers. This incident raised serious questions about mobile security and data protection. What does this mean for you? The breached data included names, phone numbers, and even social security numbers. But how did hackers bypass T-Mobile's defenses? This breach serves as a wake-up call for all mobile carriers and their customers. But before we dive deeper, let's pause. What would you do if your data was compromised? Think about it. Would you trust your carrier again? Let us know in the comments below. Now, let's talk about encryption. At the heart of data protection lies encryption algorithms. These complex mathematical formulas scramble your data, making it unreadable to unauthorized users. But how effective are they? There are various types of encryption, but today we focus on two key players, symmetric and asymmetric encryption. Symmetric uses the same key for encryption and decryption, while asymmetric uses a pair of keys. Understanding these can help you appreciate how your data is safeguarded. Here comes a fun fact. Did you know that end-to-end encryption ensures that only the communicating users can read messages? No one else, not even the service provider, can access your data. So why isn't it universally applied? Midway through this insightful discussion, don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you're learning something new. Like this video if you care about your digital privacy. Now, let's dive into the role of TLS. Transport Layer Security, TLS, is the security protocol that keeps your online communications safe. It creates a secure channel between your device and the server, making it very difficult for hackers to intercept your data. So, how can we ensure it's always used? Moreover, as we look into the future of encryption, homomorphic encryption is making waves. This groundbreaking method allows computations to be performed on encrypted data without decrypting it. Could this be the answer to keeping your data secure while still being useful? However, homomorphic encryption is still in its infancy. It's slower and more complex than traditional methods. The challenge remains, how can we make it practical for everyday use? Can it be the gold standard for security in the future? Recapping what we've learned, the T-Mobile data breach highlights significant vulnerabilities in mobile security. Encryption is vital to protecting personal information. As technology evolves, so too must our approaches to safeguarding our data. Thank you for watching. If you found this video insightful, please like, subscribe, and share. Stay tuned for our next video where we will dive even deeper into how to secure your digital life. Until next time, stay safe online.